Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate peer reviews with Peergrade. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To automate peer reviews with Peergrade, start by creating an account on the Peergrade website. Once logged in, click on the Create a New Assignment button. Enter a title and a brief description for your assignment. Next, set the assignment's due dates for submission and peer review. Choose the type of assignment that suits your needs, such as written work or video submissions. Upload any necessary instructional materials or guidelines for your reviewers and participants. Now, select the number of peer reviews each participant should complete. Customize the review criteria according to the specific requirements of your assignment. You can include rubrics or specific questions to guide reviewers in their assessments. Once your criteria are set, choose the group of students or participants who will be involved. If needed, adjust any settings related to anonymity or review distribution. After finalizing your settings, click the Create Assignment button to launch it. Notify your participants of the new assignment via email or through your educational platform. As participants submit their work, Peergrade will automatically assign reviews according to your specifications. Monitor the progress of submissions and reviews through the dashboard provided by Peergrade. Once the review period is complete, participants will receive feedback from their peers. Encourage participants to reflect on the feedback they received to foster growth and improvement. Finally, wrap up the assignment by providing any additional comments or a summary of the peer reviews. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.